Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. On the menu today is a refreshing tropical drink that is keto friendly. What we will need is pineapple, strawberry. The pineapple and strawberry can be frozen or fresh. To make this juice keto friendly, I'm using swerve sweetener that is keto approved. And the link to purchase the swerve sweetener is in the description box along with recipe details. Now let's bring water to a boil and add the swerve sweetener. Drop in the strawberry and pineapple, some fresh mint leaves from my garden to add some kick to the juice. Don't forget to press the notification button. Let it boil until the water is well infused and colorful. This step is optional, but I'm using potato masher to crush the fruit and help release all those nutrients. Remove your mixture from the stove and strain this couple times to get rid of all fruit residue. Subscribe, share, and click like if you love the recipe. This delicious and refreshing drink is enjoyable cold during the summer season, and sometimes in winter time I love drinking it warm. And please don't forget to leave me some comment. I love you guys. Cheers to this refreshing, keto friendly tropical juice. I'll be seeing you next time. Ciao, ciao.